From 2016 till 2026, Orissa Post has done a whole decade, completed a whole decade. For 1 year in between, in the COVID years, we did not hold it. But otherwise, Orissa Post has very successfully uh, been organizing Mettle Meet. And Mettle Meet today is not only the biggest quiz in Eastern India, it is something that is known all over India now. Therefore, we get participation requests from Gujarat, from Maharashtra, Bihar, Karnataka, and very many other states because this has become a coveted property. And Medal Meet 2026, when you look at the kids, when you see into their eyes, the brilliance, the fire that is burning is very heartening that this is the future of India. And today the world sees smartphones, smart glasses, smart bracelets, smart rings, smart watches, everything. But here we see smart kids, both girls and boys. They're amazingly smart. They don't need gadgets, or they don't need the internet to uh, frame their replies. They can think of it. So that is very heartening. It is time that the old foggies in this country give up and chill and relax and realize that the future actually lies with these kids. They will build their own future. Let us not try to protect them. They don't need our protection. They are capable of doing it themselves. So I hope we create many more metal meets in real life where children are allowed to blossom, to grow, and become better citizens. So, Orissa Post and Metal Meet are one of the bricks in the whole edifice of building a society, a culture, a nation. And the kids who are coming here are full of promise. So, it is heartening for me personally and for the country and for the state as a whole.